Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's lecture, we will tell you about hard drive data recovery services. So let's move to the topic. Top 4 best hard drive data recovery services. Data recovery services are like the spare tire in the trunk of your car. You hope you never have to use it, but when you need it, you really need it. Just like you would have no way of getting home without that extra tire. A data recovery service might be your only hope of saving your data if you have a damaged or corrupted hard drive. Read on to find out more about data recovery services and what they can do for you. What is a data recovery services? Or a hard drive recovery service is a company that specializes in recovery of lost, damaged, or corrupted data. Many data recovery companies offer recovery software that can be used remotely, but their primary function is to physically repair and salvage the data from affected storage media. They may offer data recovery software in lab recovery performed in a clean room environment, rate and save recovery. Why use a data recovery services? There are many reasons that you may need to use data recovery services. Data recovery software can only restore data from devices that can still be logically accessed by the operating system, or data recovery services can perform hard drive recoveries on media that are physically damaged and is not able to be repaired with software alone. Some of the issues that can result in engaging a data recovery services includes human error. As with other type of data loss, physical damage is often caused by a human error. Dropping a laptop or a removable hard drive can damage the device and make it unreadable. Hardware failure over time, disk drive expenses wear and tear that may eventually lead to their total failure. You may be alerted to impending failure by strange grinding or clicking noises coming from the drive. Firmware corruption. The next one is environmental issue. The last one is power surge. A power spike can result in damage to a hard drive, read, write heads, or the device onboard electronic. The best recovery services. Here is an overview of some quality data recovery services. We hope it help you choose the best hard drive recovery services for your situation. So there are five methods. We will discuss the first one, salvage data. Salvage data has been providing quality data recovery services for over 15 years using technically advanced proprietary hardware and software solution. Range of services: data recovery and salvage on all type of digital storage devices, tape recovery, RAID, and on-site recovery, memory card recovery, certification. It's these method is also certified from ISO 14644 1 class 5 clean room. The next one is S data recovery. S provide a full range of data recovery services that can help customers save data from damaged or corrupted storage media. Range of services: S recover data from all type of storage devices, including RAID, arrays, SSD drive, hard drives, and tape media. Tape duplication services on all type of current and absolute technology. Computer forensic services geared toward protecting digital evidence. Emergency and on-site recovery services are providing in 24 hours a day. This method is also certified from ISO 14644 I Class 5 clean room that are very close to being class 10 equivalent during production. This is the overview of this method. All recovery operations are performed in-house on image copies made with proprietary direct drive access reader (DDA) reader technology to prevent further damage to the media. The next Next method is secure data recovery. Secure data recovery offers user a transparent recovery process that embeds the privacy and security of your data. Range of services: data recovery, digital forensic, e-discovery, mobile recovery, certification. This is also certified from ISO 4 clean rooms, GSA approved contractor, EU US privacy policy certified company. Pricing free estimated no charge for failure recoveries. Support 24 was 7 phone assistant and online request submission 96 recovery success rate. The fourth one, OnTrack. OnTrack has been in the business of data recovery since in 1985 and also provides users with recovery software for home use. Range of service: data recovery, email extraction, e-discovery, data distribution, mobile phone repair certificate. This is also certified from ISO class 100 clean room. This is the overview of this method. Companies pricing: contact the company for a pre-evaluation and an estimate of recovery cost. Support 90% success rate. 4 hour pre-evaluation, online consultations, scheduling, free phone consultation. The fifth one and the last one is Gilware. Gilware is an experienced data recovery service that can record data from all type of damaged devices. Range of services: hard drive, RAID, virtual server, and flash data recovery, emergency data recovery, mobile device data recovery certified. It's also certified from ISO 5 class 10 clean room. Overview: Gilware was formed by two brothers in 2004 to address their data loss issue. The company has grown and now employs recovery engineers with over 2 million combined hours of data recovery experience. Recovery is done with software and hardware that are created in-house to address the most difficult data recovery situations. Galware prides itself on assisting other data recovery labs with complex recovery situations. Pricing: location: Galware is located in Madison, Wisconsin. They accept referral from over 2,000 managed services providers located throughout the US. Support is also support email and phone estimated during business hours, free shipping to Hilware Recovery Lab, online chat support. What to look for in professional data recovery services? There are some characteristics of a quality data recovery company that you should consider when you're searching for one to resolve your data loss situation. Keep these points in mind when selecting the hard drive data recovery services you will be trusting with your valuable data. How data recovery center work? Reputable data recovery centers share many common characteristics. Here is how they will process typical recovery request: initial consultation, technical evaluation, verification, and the last one is drive cloning. So I hope you will enjoy today's lesson. Thanks for watching the video.